Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class Ekaliva. Today we are going to see class 2 subject EVS. The topic name is plants our friends. In this lesson we have to see about different types of the plants, where they are living like this. Okay, so about the plants we have to see here. See. Already I told plants or many kinds of plants surround us. We know that no, we can see many plants in our surrounding. No, we can categorize we can give them many names for also that. Each and every plants having the different names. Okay. So how, if you are seeing a plant means how we are categorized? First we are saying it is a big plant, it is a small plant. Like that only we can categorize? No. So First we can categorize the plants. One is the big plant, another one is the small plants. Okay, if you are seeing a plant means at the second you can get the idea, it is small, it is the big, like that. No. Okay, say all the big plants are called tree. We can say the example for the big plants means that is called the tree. Okay, we can say many examples for the tree, mango tree, banyan tree, and then banana tree, like that many trees we can say. No. So if a tree means it is the big in size. Okay, we can see apart from this we can see the small plants also in our surroundings. No, many small plants are there. No, in this small plants alone we get categorized into four. What are they? See, one is the herb. Next one is the shrub. Third one, climbers. And then fourth one is the creepers. Clear? See, we can see all the plants in our surroundings. Mostly plants means that is the big in size. So all the big plants we are calling in one name, tree. But the small plants we can categorize four. What are they? First one, herb. Herb means what is that? Small plants, it has the soft stem. No, that plants are called herbs. Clear? As well as this herb plants having the medicinal characters also, because this plants leaves and stem like that, these things, parts of the plants using many medicinal uses. What is that? Cough, cold, fever, like that many medical problem we can use this herbs. Okay. Next one, shrub. Shrub means it make a push. It look like a tree, but it is the size compared than the tree, it is so smaller. Okay. We know that a tree means it is very tall, it has the woody stem and it has the many branches, like that we can say. No. As well as the shrub also, it looks like a same the tree, but the size compared then it is small. Next one, climbers. Climbers means we know that climbing means it need one support to climb. That's why it is called the climbers. Okay. Next one is the creepers. Creepers means it is also matched with the climbers, but it needs support, but these creepers grow along the ground. Clear? So we have to see one by one in this lesson. See, first one, big plants. Big plants are called tree. We know that very well. No, already I told all the big plants we are calling in one name, tree. Is it or not? See, if a tree, a big plant, it is called tree. Okay, this tree, what are the special features are there in the tree? The big plants are called tree. This tree have many branches. It has many branches. Many branches means we can say here. No, actually it is the root part. It is the root. This is the stem. Okay. And then this is the leaf. You know that. No, usually. See, the stem having the many branches, here we can say. No, this is the branches. Okay. Many branches are there in the tree. And the next term, a tree has a hard and thick stem. It has the very hard and thick stem. It is called the woody stem. Okay. It has the very thick and hard stem. No, we can see here. No, it has very thick and hard stem. This stem as well called woody stem. Clear? It is very hard and thick. Next one we can say this hard and thick stem How it is called means it is called trunk. What is that? Trunk. This hard and woody stem is called trunk. Clear? The trunk means hard and woody stem. It is there only in the big plants. Okay. So it is called the trunk. Next one, many trees can live 100 years and then even more. We can see, no, if a banyan tree, any banana tree, mango tree is there in your house means, in your surroundings we can see means, the trees, they are saying, I saw, your parents are, if they are in small children, they also see that plant. And then you can also see the same tree. No, because they can live more than 100 years. Okay. Then we can say the many example for that: mango, banyan, peepal, jamun, coconut, like that, many neem tree. So many examples we can give for the tree. Okay, what are the things as we saw in the big plants? All the big plants are called tree. So this tree having many branches. This tree having the thick hard woody stem. This stem is called trunk. Clear? So tree can live more than 100 years. Clear? Next one is the small plants. Next one, small plants. See, small plants, first we have to see the herbal plants. Herb plants. Okay. See, a herb is a very small plant. Herb means it is very small plant. It has the very soft stem. Okay, it has very soft stem. Even the size also very small. And then this stem, okay, most herbs live only a few months. We saw that trees can live more than 100 years, no. But the herbs can live only few months. After that it will dry and destroyed. Okay. Then we can give the example for that means mint. We are using the mint in your home, no, mint. And then tomato. Tomato plant we can see, no, it can live only 3 or 4 months. After that it will slowly dry and destroyed. Okay. And then spinach. Many spinach you are using in your house, no. Then we can rice plant we can see, rice plants, it has the lifespan only 6 months, 4 months, like that. A different type of the rice plants is there. They also can live only few months. Okay. So this is the herbal plants. Apart from this, these herbal plants are using for many medicinal uses. We can say mint, tomato, and then apart from this we can say the tulasi. Tulasi also one of the herb plants. Okay, this tulasi is used for the cough and cold, like this. Okay, so this is the small plants, herb. Next, second one we have to see the small plants, shrub. Next one is the shrub. See, I told already the shrub also looking like a big plant. Okay, it is also looking like a tree, but compared than the tree, it is smaller than a tree. Compared than the size, it is very smaller tree. Okay. See, and then we can say it has a thin and hard stem. We saw that herbs having very thick, a very soft stem, no. But here we can see they having very thin as well as the hard stem. See, we can see here, no, they having the hard and woody stem, but it is very thin. After that we can say that it also having many branches. See, we can see here the rose plant, it is also having the many branches, and then these branches grow close to the ground. We saw there, if a big plant means it can grow above the ground, no. The distance between the ground and then leaf for the branches, distance will be high. But the shrubs also looking like a tree, but the distance of the ground is very less. Okay. Then most shrubs live only a few years. We saw that trees are living more than 100 years. Herbs are living only few months, but herbs are living few years. It may live in the 6 years, 5 years, like that. Afterwards, it slowly it will die. Okay. Then we can give many example for that shrub. What does that means? Rose plant and then hibiscus, mehendi, cotton plant, like that. Okay, what does means hibiscus? Hibiscus means we can see this ornamental plant near our house. No, we can see. Ever you seen this plant? This plant is called the hibiscus. This is also one of the example for the shrub plant. Clear? Then next, third one we have to see about the climbers plants. Okay, climbers. See, climbers means what is that? It is a very thick, very weak stem. They having very weak stem. Okay, the stem will be very thin as well as very weak. It's look like a rope. It's look like a rope and then very thin. Clear? That's the reason they cannot grow straight. We saw there herbs also very small plant, but it can grow erect straightly, no. But they having a very long rope like the stem, but the stem is very weak and thin, so they cannot stand straight. So they need one support to stand and grow straight. They are having very thin and rope like stem, so they need one support to grow stand straight. Okay, we can give the example for this: pea plants, beans, and then money plant, like this money plant and grapevine, like this plants we can give the example for the climbers. See, you can see here, no, they given one stem or any one hood will be given. If your support means, then only the stem, it is the stem. The stem is climbing to that that support, then only they can grow. Here also we can see here, no, one stem is there and this plant climb the stem. Okay, so it is called the climbers. Then see, we can see in the grapevine, they given one support for that. They make a shed like that, then only they can grow on that support. As well as the money plant also we have in our house, no. So these are all example for the climbers. Next one is the creepers. Creeper. See here, creepers has a very weak stem. We saw their climbers also very weak stem. Even that creepers also having very weak stem, but climbers need one support to grow like this. We given if one support means, then only they can climb and grow on this supported, no. But this creepers grow along the ground. They grow along the ground. Why? What is the reason means? They having very weight and very big sizes of the fruits. If you are giving the support means, it is not able to manage that, because it has the very weighted vegetables and fruits there, no. So they are growing along with the ground. We can say many example for this creepers. What is that? Bottle gourd, watermelon, pumpkin. We can see like this plants near our surroundings, no. They having very weak stem, that's why they are growing along the ground. Okay, as well as they having very big size and very very weighted fruits. That's why they are growing like that. Okay. Then where do plants grow? We saw there now types of the plants. Now we have to see where do plants grow. Plants grow, we can see plants everywhere. Plants having many habitat. Habitat means living places wherever plants can grow. Okay, except the very harsh condition wherever plants can grow. Okay, so based on that living places, we can say many categories. Here they given two types. One is the water plants, another one is the desert plants. Okay, water plants means they are living in the water. plants which live in the water, that plants are called aquatic plants or water plants. This water plants also called aquatic plants. Okay, aquatic plants means water plants. See, we can give the example for this lotus or lily. Lotus or lily for the example water plants. What is the special feature compared than the land plants for this the water plants means usually water plants having the stem, it is as usual they having the leaf, that leaf having that stomata. If it is the leaf means this leaf having many holes, the tiny holes is called stomata, because the stomata used for the respiration process like that, no. But they having very broad and thin leaf, as well as this leaf having the wax coat. What is that? Wax coating. Okay. Why? This is why the reason means always these leaves are lying in the water, no. If they are lying in the water, as well as if it has this like some small holes means the water content will be entered through these holes. Is it or not? So what will happen? The inside of the tissue cells will be damaged. That's why they having the water wax covering in both side of the leaf. They having very broad leaf, it always present in water but not at all attached with water. They not at all attached with water. This is the reason they having the waxy coat. Waxy coat means like a waterproof, you are having the exam pad, no, it has the waterproof like that we are saying, no, as well as it also having the waterproof, because it has both side in the water wax coating. This wax coating save the inside of the leaf cell. Okay. Next one we can say that desert plants. Desert plants means we know that the hot region plants are called desert plants. Clear? We can, it has the, what is the example we can say? Cactus. What is the desert means first? Desert means very low rainfall or the not failed rainfall is there means that place is called the desert. It is very hot region place, so they cannot get the enough water to grow. So like this plants are they are modified. Okay, how they are modified means they has the thorns. What is thorns? Thorns means we can see here, no, this is the thorns. We can see here, no, that is thorn. Actually why they are having this thorns means they cannot get enough water in this desert place. So the leaves are modified like a thorn. Actually the thorn is a leaf of the plant. It is okay. Then okay, leaves are modified like a thorn, but we can see here a leaf like structure is there. No, what is that? That is actually a stem part of the leaf. It is a stem part of the leaf. Okay, the stem is converted like a leaf like structure. The leaves are converted like a thorn because they cannot get enough water. If the leaf is there in the plant mean it will lose a lot of water. They have to reduce the loss of water. That's why they are converted like that. Clear? Thank you children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and will receive our latest updates. Thank you.